Hello, dear viewers. Today, I will talk about the importance of colors in our lives and how to create the perfect color scheme for our spaces. Colors, as a form of nonverbal communication, can deeply affect our emotions and mood. When we enter a space, how our eyes perceive colors and color combinations can influence our interpretation of the style, ambiance, and comfort level of the space. Color theory is the scientific study of how we perceive colors and how we respond to specific color combinations and proportions. The foundation of color theory starts with the color wheel. Let's fill out our color wheel together. Primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, are the building blocks of all other colors on the wheel and cannot be made by mixing other colors. Secondary colors. These are the colors that can be created by mixing two primary colors and include orange, green, and purple. Tertiary colors. These are the 6 shades that can be made from mixing primary and secondary colors. We can use the color wheel to create different color schemes. For example, for a scheme with harmonious colors, we can use 3 or more colors that sit next to each other on the color wheel. In this case, it's important to maintain a good proportion between colors. Additionally, by selecting complementary colors, we can create a simple and striking scheme using 2 colors that sit opposite each other on the color wheel. These color pairs are extremely high contrast, so they need to be used carefully. A monochromatic color scheme uses tints, tones, and shades within the same hue or color family. This scheme provides unity, but also carries the risk of making the room feel boring. Therefore, it's important to add textures and patterns to add movement to the space. When adding colors to your space, using the same colors in different rooms with different accessories can help the spaces feel connected. Also, in homes with an open space concept, using a consistent paint color on the walls is a good way to unify the spaces. If you want to learn more about colors, check out the link in the description. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more design content. You can also follow me for daily inspiration and to get in touch. Have a wonderful week. See you in the next video.